after this tutorial, you will be comfortable adding menus to your Joomla website. So we're gonna add our first menu. You need to log into the back end of your Joomla. Okay, at the top the menu is at the top. So you can see we've got menu managers, user menu, top, all of them. With menu manager, you can add menu, any type of menu. Like you can just set to do like menus, let's say side menu. Then you click save, and when you go up there, you will see our side menu is over there. So at the moment our home page is at the top, in the top menu, which you can see is right here. Right, so we're gonna add an article to the top menu. So you click on new, with menu you can have one menu which attached to one article, or you can have menu which attached to list of categories, your category blog, or features article, or archive article. So to add the menu, click select. We're gonna click on single menu articles. You select the article you need to link to that menu. You can give a name fashion, the menu. Don't worry about that one. Is in public, is at the top, so that menu will appear at the top there, and everything is done. You could, there's option here, if you want the article under that menu to show the title, to show all this, you can select. If you don't want it to show a created date, you can hide, modify date, you can do all this, you can just play around with it. So click save. So I've got two menus at the top. You click on the main page, refresh, and there you go, it's linked to one article. Right, another one I'm going to show you is adding a menu to categories, like list of categories. Let's say you want to create a fashion category. So you go to category manager, context category manager, then you go to new, you create category called fashion, is no parent, so that's it. Click save. At the you can add description if you want. You can add the meta keywords in that particular category. Description, meta description, that's for search engines to find your articles. Right, so I've got fashion. So make sure all the article you want them to appear under fashion, you make sure they are under fashion category. Like let's put our two articles, let's move them to fashion. So you go to category here and you select the fashion one and you save. We'll do the same with this one. Move to fashion and save. Right, now we're going to our menu again, top menu. Create a new one. You can rename maybe list of fashions or all fashions. Select. This time we're gonna select category blog. Okay, so our category is gonna be fashion, and categories options, You can play around with that one if you want to show all the levels. Blog. So that one, if you want a leading article to be one, and then maybe at the bottom of it to be 2 articles, or you can just play around with this one. So at the moment you're gonna put a leading one, and all the article to that particular page, you can make them maybe 4. Column, if you want one at the top and maybe 3 or 2 at the bottom, you can make let's do 2. The links is the one which appear at the bottom, like to go to the next page, so you can even have the okay. So again, the article options, you can play around here. If you want some of the icon not to appear, you can just hide them. The rest you don't need to worry about. You can put the title, you want it to appear on the browser there, so put it there. If you leave blank, you will automatically pick that title. Okay, so we save. Let's go to our home page. So now we've got 3, and then when you click on fashion, you should have more than 1 articles. So there, we've got 1 leading articles, and now so we're gonna add another article on the right hand side, another menu, sorry. So you go to extensions, menu manager, and you could even use the top one to appear on the side, or we can use different menu. So let's pick any menu at the moment. Select all the menus we have. Okay, so we can have, let's try a main menu. You just select, click on select, and you'll find the right hand side. Our templates that's our templates. So there is our right hand side, and if you want to, you can select here if you want to appear in which articles or which menu you want to appear. At the moment you just select all of them and click publish. Here is a level, which is 1. It's best to leave it the way it is. The rest is fine. So now it should appear on your right hand side. Let's see, menu. Select all. Let's see what is in our main menu. What the articles are there? Oh, it's not showing because there's nothing. So I'll create a quick one here. Fashion. Fashion. And fashions. So that error message is because there's another menu called fashion, which we created at the top, if you remember. So let's make it fashions. Okay, so that one is created. It should appear on your right hand side. So that's it, as simple as that, how to create your menus and link it to your articles. Thank you for visiting our website. Soon we will have more Joomla tutorial. If you have any questions, just send us an email with, if you want us to do any particular tutorial on Joomla, send us an email to info@myprof.co.uk. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.